YouTube? Y'all know what's going on, man. We with a POV, Pet OV. Take y'all for a ride in the kitty. Let me get y'all together real quick. Yeah, so we're going for a ride in the cat today, man. Let me go ahead and GoPro, connect the GoPro. Yes, sir. Oh, fuck it. I'll connect it later. But for right now, I can see y'all, so I know we good. Yeah, I know we good. We're gonna make sure we in 700, okay, boom. Cool little POV in. I know it's getting kind of late. I was debating on not doing it, but I just figured, hey, I might as well do it, you know? So right now, I'm gonna give y'all a Hellcat POV. And she needs some gas too, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her some gas while I'm at it. Yes, sir. So we're gonna jump out here. Going to the gas station. We'll run to the G station. So y'all never mind. That's my plate making that noise. I got it propped up in the window. So, damn, he's flying. Buddy flying. Yeah, I do need a wheel alignment, so. Yeah. But so yeah, man. POV driving the cat. I had to leave the windows open, unfortunately, because it's just, it'd be too loud. I don't know, that plate, that shit sound nasty as hell. I do not like how that sound. Yeah. So with that being said, we at the G station now. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick back up when I get done, man. Oh yeah, so I'm giving y'all, I'm getting just enough gas just to give y'all a POV. You feel me? I'm down the street from my crib, so I'm gonna go ahead, fire back up. Yeah. Yeah. Open the windows up. Go ahead. Get y'all together so y'all can see. So yeah, man, it's It's getting dark. I should have did this a little earlier because it hit so much harder with the GoPro. Yeah. That's how we do it. Cold air and take you whining, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like this gas station. I'm gonna come do some reels at this gas station. I'm gonna pull up right now and do them actually. Yeah, I'm already outside. I'm gonna just pull up right now and do my reels. Which one did I say I liked? It was this one right here. Yeah. Yeah, raw ass reel, boy. Finna shoot a raw ass reel, boy. Bro. Alright, well, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. Like, comment, sub if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, this is just a quick little POV, man. I'm finna get y'all a walk around. I got me a little spot, man, where I'm gonna start doing my reels and all that good stuff at. So, as of right now, you can see, you know what I'm saying, we got the cat on the floor. I could go ahead and give her a wash, but I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I ain't even on that right now. It's a POV for y'all because I don't feel like editing the last couple videos I got. But look, so this is the scenery, what I'm trying to, all of these, you see that? That's tough. That's tough. So y'all will be seeing this. Y'all will be seeing this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lights on. Y'all will be seeing this reel. If you follow me on IG, yeah, that's an M. That's an M boy. What? Bro, you don't stop. Key is right here, buddy. Alright. So this is how we finna shoot. We will be doing at the lights going in. Yeah.